Hello viewers, in today's video, I'm not going to explain you any yogasanas to stay healthy. We will explore the power of our mind to heal our lives, to heal our disease. It may sound interesting to you, but you can heal your disease very easily with the right use of brain. The Buddha says, what we think, we become. If we are thinking positive situations in your life, then we are going to experience positivity in our lives. On the other hand, if you are talking negatively to your brain, negatively about your life, then you will experience all the negative things occurring in your life. Your subconscious mind is the greatest healer of all the time. Your subconscious mind never asks, never judge. It works like a servant. It doesn't know the difference between right and wrong, good or bad. It simply knows what the order has been given to me. Suppose you have a diabetes and you have a mentality that I will not be cured, that no medicine can cure me, then it will take it into reality and you will face lot of issues with your problem, and you will face lot of issues because you have programmed your subconscious mind in negative way. On the other side, if you are facing cancer, the life-threatening disease, you have great self-belief about yourself, and you have programmed your subconscious mind in such a way that you are saying it that I have no disease, I am getting cured with cancer, I am getting better and better every day. And you are visualizing the perfect picture of your life. You are observing that your cancer has been cured and you are living a very healthy and happy life. Your mind will accept it as a reality that you have no disease and you will become more and more healthy. So you can see how our subconscious mind controls our life, diseases, our relationships, everything. So the right belief is extremely important. What you believe, it comes. It doesn't matter if you are thinking wrong, if you are thinking good things. It only matters what you are thinking at that moment. That will create the vibrations at that level. That particular energy or vibration will be used by your subconscious mind as a reality. Now it's up to you how you control it, what kind of information you give to your subconscious mind. If you are thinking thoughts of unhappiness, anxiety, fears, then subconscious mind will bring you the same situations in your life. Then you will blame yourself and others, because in that case you haven't used the power of your mind. So you can use it for your diseases as well. Whatever disease you are struggling today, just keep the right picture in your mind. Keep the perfect picture that you are recovering from it, that you have controlled that particular disease. Make the visualization better. Make the perfect visualization that you have been cured. Morning is the best time. In that time, your conscious mind is not working and your subconscious mind takes the information as a reality. So morning time and other time is when you go to sleep. Before going to sleep, just program your mind in a positive manner. Thanks and stay blessed.